A lot of attention, Christian. And the Paco Arena is packed because of this.
Say no more. Obviously, the crowd speaks for itself. Nabanggit natin sa Caloocan, Cedef. Diba, syempre, ang obvious doon, Celis, Baclahan, those were the big names. But how about Camson as San Juan opens up this game with their order also?
The double-double machine as well. And that Patrick Sneed. Oh! Strong move from Patrick Sneed. This is more of the Patrick Sneed that we know of. Where he...
Kung sa Amerika may Maroon 5, dito sa San Juan, sa Pilipinas, may Maroon 8.
Maroon 8 ba?
Maroon 8. Oo.
Cabanag puts it in off the spin move. Can't see me.
And syempre, kilala na yan.
Coach Mike
Maglaro
Sagigit.
ni Coach Mike Sagigit.
Joko Tayongtong banks it in. All the way to the cup.
Then for San Juan,
Great defense by Caloocan. Cabanag 2-on-1.
Nice.
Leaves it to Jello Razon for 2.
and that's how you execute a 2-on-1 break.
Manny Pace, the digital wallet built for the community. Dropped 33 the day after he got snubbed in the PBA draft.
Yeah, I remember. Sabi niya. And then medyo naisip ko na, no? Little Iverson action, paborito ni Harold yan. Nice play call to get him going. By embarrassment of riches for both teams, especially in the guard play.
Wow, this is going to be a nice matchup. Abadiano and
What
Baclahan.
a play! That was a tough angle to finish by Kalisaan, that rim run.
Ako, wala akong ano dyan.
Yung balance
wala
niya.
akong duda kay Kalisaan. Basta dyan lang yan, sure ball yan eh. Tulad nito si Jello Razon. Professional scorer, Jen. Hits on that one. Bitoon. Wow. Wow. I like this combination on the floor here. For
This quarter on a positive note and maybe try to restart themselves as they start the second quarter to have a much better flow, especially offensively. Baclahan though,
Baclahan. Coast to coast.
in 4 seconds. And that was not a straight line coast to coast.
Alarcon, professional, but really they know what they have in their cups to provide for the backcourt needs of San Juan. But with all respect to Kuya Orlando Bamar Jr. So that's what this.
Ang sakto ng Baclahan. 9 seconds on the shot clock. Ian looking for a way through. Baclahan. Yes!
Pasok yan. Matik na. The thing about Kian, aside from being crafty, his height, he negates for what he lacks, no, sa kanyang katangkaran. Lalo pag nakapasok siya sa pintura. Ito yung isang part ng Maroon 8. No, si Boral. Galing Perpetual.
That's true. He gets his first basket. Brings a lot of energy and hustle to this team. Kasin. Nice work off the ball there for Prince Kasin.
Right.
Working with Kuya Ronnie Matias. 18-16. Torres against Baclahan. Oh, that's a tough shot! Traylan Torres.
And he called that because I've seen it.
Harold.
There you go.
Boral. Short. Marquez challenges the defense and puts it in.
And that's what we mentioned earlier about, sabi mo nga, no, off-air, making the game come to you. Little ball screen action. Harold and Marquez up top. Roll replace. Boral on the replace. Misses the open shot, but Marquez right there for the cleanup. Sa kabila naman, nakascore naman kaagad si Hamito.
Cabanag. Long range. No. Jammer is there to clean it up.
Just a missed box out by majority of it, 14 of the 22, came from all of their guards. No, Wamar had 5, I believe. Terence Ortega had 3.
Joko Tayongtong back the other way. 3.5 minutes remaining in the second period. Atake si Joko, bagsak kay Jammer Hamito.
having a terrific flow to their offense compared to San Juan, and yet it's still a 6-point game after that basket by Hamito, who is in double figures with 10.
Panganiban down low. Sneak corner. Atake si Sneak sa gitna.
There you
Ika
go.
to Amar. Got it.
That's it.
He's not gonna miss for long. And Orlando Amar after... Basta, tanungin natin mamaya.
Kasi si Commissioner MJ, di ba? And then Destroyer. Yeah, na-curious lang ako. Comes on with a turnaround. That's a professional scorer. That's a professional move.
Robbie Celis with the rebound. Bigay agad kay Kian Baclan. Puts his head down. Kian backs it in. He looks more and more comfortable here. And one. Trying to turn things around. Ball is tapped. Villapando will lay it in.
Almost a turnover right there, but Villapando, as Quezon was up by 8, if I remember. Last 2 minutes before elimination and the last 2 minutes of the overtime. But Orlan Wamar has kept his team in stride with his 3-point shooting.
Extreme, ang subok at kompleto Planches Brand ng Pilipinas. Maraming salamat sa Extreme. Kamson is open.
Good
Goal.
line. Good shot. Oh, say ito, no?
Yeah. Oh, 5-point lead for the Batang Kangkalu. Baklaan to Kamson. Kamson slows down and banks it in.
And that was key to what you said. He had... Pero ito, mabilis si Baklaan.
Baklaan is blocked by Villapando.
Mabilis din si Villapando.
And that's touchdown.
Thought this block saved San Juan a timeout. Because kung na-shoot ni Baklaan to, ta-timeout na ang San Juan eh.
You know, you're gonna have him fresh on some of the most important
Exactly.
moments of the game. But Villapando, talk about fresh. He's given a delicado number, 23 shot, 24. 24.
Correct.
Sleet inside. Villapando
Sa ibaba ulit.
has come in and sparked this fight back.
As Baklaan with a highlight, Dipsidu wala. Here's a stop by San Juan.
Here's Sleet, Nakabuelo. Patrick Sleet will finish.
They're getting in the highlight action up in the air and forces a timeout. Tagang Bacolod si Torres.
Bago City. Baka mag-ahit mga taga-Bago.
Eto, ayan na, chicken na Lasal. Hindi man post-up play, but the recipient of it.
Raylan for 3. Yes! The Knights are back on top. It's the 44, San Juan. Kasi. Sleet with the steal. Wamar, Sleet. Sleet back to Wamar for 2. 48 to 44. Lumabas si Biton against Torres. Fade away is good. Mamatay sunog. Galing kay Chris Biton. Harold lost it. He recovers. Bigay kay Andres Ramos. Masyadong malakas. Raylan Torres. Put back is good.
Much better off.
Joko Tayong Tong. Binabantayan ni Harold Alarcon. Kamson.
That's
Over
money.
Ramos.
That is money.
Alam mo na no?
Oh, posisyon pa lang niya eh. The way he wanted the basketball.
Biton with the rebound. Takbo ang Caloocan. 3-on-2. Razon is open. The 3 is good. So many shot makers on the floor, Christian. And if it's that open, alam mo na kung ano mangyayari.
And I like the poise of Chris Biton. We mentioned the embarrassment of riches for the guard play for both teams. Biton, I thought, is the one that is really capitalizing. Tulad ng sidestep move na yon. Slicing through the middle is...
And Robbie Celis down the stretch. Villapando Atake. No, Soyud though, with a stick back. Attracting a couple of defenders there was Villapan.
Realize his penetration opened up the offensive rebound of Soyud.
They go inside. Matias outmuscling Villapando for 2.
Doon dapat siya talaga mag-sorry. Because that was, okay.
Made famous by the Olympians, the Velasco brothers, Onyok and Roel Velasco.
Specialty of the house. Jerry Abajano, thank you for educating me with that. Ikaw bakulot ka, tama?
It's a little change in our scoreboard here. Torres will launch it. Raylan Torres. What a turnaround here for San Juan. Piton. 4-3. Yes.
Now that's a 4-point swing right there of what was supposed to. Jerry had to cross half court to avoid the 8-second violation. Forced shot. There you go. That's a game. How about that? I think that's rebound number 10 for Villapando.
San Juan goes 2-0 in the preseason. Caloocan 1-1.